almost afternoon here. Happy Monday. We are on our way to Habitat for Humanity. It's a store. So it's a non-profit, Habitat for Humanity, who helps people build homes and everything. Low-income families, or But it is the first day of November, and it's a nice Monday morning. So we're gonna head there, and let's see what they have there. I'll show you guys. If you haven't ever been to a Habitat for Humanity store, you'll get a chance to see it today. All right. Okay, so this is the store, and we're gonna go in and see what they have. We're looking for vanities, maybe some flooring and stuff like that. So let's go in and see what they have. Okay, so we are in the store. We're looking at some of the items that they have here. This is how it looks. These are the kitchen counters. There's all types, granite and other types of material. As you can see, you will have to install these yourself. So either you have to know how to do this, or you'll have to find somebody who does. And that's what the Restore is all about, DIY. So you have to be ready to do this stuff yourself. Or like I said, find somebody who can do it for you. Or pay someone, as you know. You can see the sinks. They have double sinks, bathroom sinks, and they have a single bathroom sinks. As you can see, all types of material. They have the pricing up there, and what I found out is the price goes down like every few weeks or every month, I want to say. And it also counts on how much of the item they have in stock, because if they're overstocked, they'll lower the price. But if not, the price, you would really have to know what your pricing is on certain items. As you can see, the covers for the sockets, handles for doors, they have everything. There's a tub, $70. Some pews. And over here is the flooring. They have so much flooring and towels, backsplash for your kitchen, and just all sort of flooring, as you can see there. Beautiful flooring. But the thing is, you have to make sure that they have enough of that item for you to do the project that you're trying to do. So that is something you have to take into consideration at the Restore, because sometimes they only have a few of the towels and flooring and everything like that. But they have everything you're looking for there most of the time. And you have to keep going. You have to keep coming back, because they're always getting new stuff in. So as you can see, like I said, when they're overstocked, they may lower the price. And like I'm also saying, you have to really know the pricing of the item that you're looking for, because some items there are the same price sometime as buying it new. So you really have to know what you're doing as far as pricing. Okay, so here are some fabulous doors. They have been used, but you can paint them, you can refinish them, do them how you like. Here's some furniture. Anything that you're looking for to get started in your home. You can see cabinets. We were looking for kitchen cabinets for our house. Here are some window frames, all types. You just have to know your measurements. You really have to bring your measuring tape with you when you come to the Restore. Here are some blinds, which is what I was looking for. I need some blinds for the windows in our house. So that would be one of the searches that I will continue to look for. And I have to do my measurements to make sure I get the right size. Hi everyone, I just want to show you all the garage that we put up. It's used. We're going to clean it. We're going to probably paint it red like the brick. As you can see, it's dirty. I gotta figure out what to use on it, and I'm getting ready to clean it now. So come along. It's a beautiful day out here in small town Kentucky. Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you guys have been following me as I renovate this house and doing the yard. It's still Monday. It's a beautiful day out here. Like I showed you, the Restore, the Habitat for Humanity Restore. And today is November the 1st. I just showed you the garage. I'm going to clean that up right now, but I am so tired. I'm gonna get the energy up to do it. We made a lot of progress. It's a slow progress. It's not easy. I can't really relax in here until we're at least halfway there, and we're only probably about a fourth of the way there. So I'm just trying to hang in there and continue to work day by day. You know, I can't really relax in here. It's November. I know Thanksgiving is coming up, but I don't know. I'm not really in the holiday spirit. I'm just so focused on getting this house together, and that's just my main priority. I can't really relax until I get it together. Let me show you the backyard. We can just walk around. That's gonna probably be what we're working on next. Come along. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Glorious Life. We're living in a renovation. We're living in our house. We're renovating it. We're probably going to paint. We're trying to decide if that's what we want to do. I don't know if it's going to be too overwhelming or if we're going to be able to do it. We're just trying to figure all of this out without spending too much money. We have decided that we're going to sell this house. We're trying to get it fixed up. In at least about 5 to 6 months, we want to have it completed and ready to put it on the market. And join us and see this process, or watch the house being sold, and just go through the whole process with us, and you'll see how it is. I don't really recommend living in a renovation because it's very stressful. With your finances, you really have no choice but to do that. But it's a beautiful day here. You know, I feel blessed. In my prayers, you know, I'm just thankful to have a roof over my head, clothes on my back, and food on the table. That's all I can ask for at this point. Just come along and let's see how we do. Watch my craziness as I try to do all these different house renovations and yard renovations. Oh boy, this glorious life. That's all I can be, is Gloria. Let me know if you all are going through some renovations. And if you all have any ideas on when you see us doing some of these renovations and everything, if you have any ideas for us, or if we're doing something wrong, maybe you can help us out, help us in this process. We're trying our best, but we're learning as we go along. Come on, I'm gonna show you the backyard now. Okay, so let's take a tour of the backyard. These are the panels we took down from the garage that I just showed you. We have to figure out where to dispose of this at. There's our riding lawnmower that was left here. I don't know if it works or not. I think it needs repairing. So as you can see, this is the backyard. This is what we're gonna start working on next. You can see the trees. We're trying to figure out how much we want to do to this backyard. That's the little shed. Our wood cutter my husband just purchased. Trying to cut corners where we can. I don't know if it's worth it or not. That's our deck, which has to be repaired. We're gonna have to do some work on that. That used to be a swing that we had in the back. It was a very nice swing. I don't know if I have any pictures of it or not. I may have some in there when it was built up. And that's all the wood that they left. We got to get rid of all of that. That pile of wood, I guess from storms and stuff. And these are the trees to the back of the yard. That's our other tree. They put a hole, I don't know, they dug a hole in the yard for some reason. of dirt, mud piles, or dirt piles, dirt beds. I don't know what that is. I guess that's part of the swing set, I guess. Here's some more trees to the back of the yard. And then this is the overgrowth of vines on the fence in the backyard. Then we have another pile of wood that we have to get rid of. And you can see the front. So this is what we're getting ready to work on in the back. We're just trying to figure it out. You can see the whole yard. So this is your tour of the backyard. What kind of, do y'all know what kind of plants or whatever is this? This isn't the grass that used to be in here. Is this like, I don't know what kind of plants? Is that plants? Grass? A type of grass? I don't know. If y'all know, comment below. Leave a comment on that. I don't know what has started to grow in the yard. I really don't know. I'm gonna have to research it and try and figure it out. But yeah, the roof isn't that bad. Still have a little more to do. But this is the backyard. Gotta get rid of this stuff.